This is the Auto Savant Auto Repair Shop. These are the proper tools for panel beater. You have to wear dark glasses, gloves, and also wear safety shoes, long sleeve or overall suit. Then you have to wear earplugs or earpiece. Then you have to wear face mask or gas mask. This is how to repair a fiber bumper with a crack and a dip caused by a collision. First, I used gas cutting torch to preheating the deep area of the plastic bumper. Then I use dollies and file to take back the shape of the fiber bumper. Also, I use metal stick and I hit the metal stick by a torch, gas metal torch, to attach the crack part of the fiber bumper. This is a damaged part that caused by a collision.
Body repair.
For body repair, I use gas cutting torch and wire to build up the crack area. I am now adjusting the flame temperature. To melt and flatten the surface. And for finishing touch, I use grinder. For repairing the plastic part of the car, I am adjusting the flame temperature of the gas cutting torch to heat the paint. And when you notice that the paint is already detached. It can't be easily removed by the scrubber. After scrubbing the paint, use a steel brush to clean up the surface to see clearly the rusty part. Next is I get a piece of sheet of metal to draw a pattern and cut it using a metal scissor. And then I use ball hammer and chisel to curve the pattern and make it exactly the same. And now I am measuring it and put a mark where to cut to make it fit. I have to adjust the flame temperature for cutting the rusty part. After finish cutting it, I weld to attach the pattern that I did earlier. When I'm done welding it, I use ball hammer and dollies to bring back the original body shape of the car and clean it by the steel brush. Repairing the deep part of the car caused by the collision. I use pile and dollies to return to its original shape.
Trunk door alignment.
On the trunk door alignment, I check both sides of the trunk door and look if the clearance is in place and to know where to adjust. I adjust the trunk door using close range and open and close the trunk door to check if it's aligned.